Hi, I'm Notorious P-Bake, and this is the path of blood through the heart. A simple representation of the heart is using a simple four-square box, where you have the right-hand side, and I've chosen blue for the right-hand side because it's deoxygenated blood, and the left-hand side over here. Blood is going to come in from the body into the top chamber, the atrium. Atria is plural, atrium is singular. Pass into the bottom pumping chamber called the ventricle. And then here it's going to go out to the lungs. Left side is going to take it from the lungs into the atrium, into the ventricle, and then it's going to go out to the body. But although this is simple and gets a basic concept across, it's not accurate whatsoever. To make it accurate, we want to draw our box slightly different and have it like this. Now the blood's going to enter into the right atrium from the body through the vena cava. There are two, the superior and the inferior. It's on the back side of the heart, but know that it's there and I'm not going to draw it. From the right atrium squeezes the blood and it passes into the right ventricle. The right ventricle is then going to squeeze and pump the blood, and it's going to go out to the lungs. But we could have backflow, and we don't want backflow here, so we put in a valve called the tricuspid valve. This keeps blood flowing the right way. Blood then comes out and heads to the lungs via two arteries called the pulmonary arteries, and that sends it off to the lungs. On the return trip, it's going to come back through the pulmonary veins. There are 4 of them, and I'm not going to have them meet because it'll get confusing, and they enter into the left atrium. Left atrium pumps it into the left ventricle. We also don't want blood flow coming back, so we have a bicuspid valve there. Blood then flows up and out. I'm going to come down here through the body, through the aorta, the largest artery. We have 2 more valves to prevent blood flow. These one are right here at the juncture of the ventricle, and in this case the pulmonary artery, and this ventricle and the aorta. They look like half moons. They are called semilunar valves. That's what you need to know for your test and your exam. Study hard and good luck.